Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 5.
My name Adwal Najma.
My name Alvina Nuraini.
My name Nazia Nazarina.
And my name Nurmala Aulia Salama. And now we're gonna talk about Papeda.
Okay, first I will give a little explanation about the cultural background of Papeda. And before that, do you know what Papeda is? And have you ever eaten it? Okay, Papeda is one of traditional food from coastal Papua and Maluku. Based on Wikipedia search, Papeda main ingredients is sago, which is also a commonly used basic ingredient in various regions in Papua. And anthropologist and chairman of the Papua Research Institute, Joshua Robert Mansobin, states that Papeda is widely recognized in the Sentani and Arab tradition of Leke, Sentani and Arso, as well as Manokwari. Based on its own philosophy and history, the local community is very detailed in terms of eating the menu that is related to the philosophy at the dinner table. And when a family eats Papeda using strands and from the same hot, that's when Papeda has a deep meaning. Halai is a traditional wooden utensil for serving Papeda. Meanwhile, a hot is a wooden plate for eating Papeda. The Sentani people refer to this tradition of eating Papeda from the same plate as Halai Mbai, Hot Mbai. Mbai means one. There is another interesting philosophy which holds stories for the future of children and grandchildren. Eating together signifies a family bond that serves as a space for discussion between parents and children.
Papeda ikan kuah. You may open your eyes.
That's really good, man. That's
Even though papeda is a traditional food from eastern Indonesia, but the popularity of this food is undoubted. We can see from the videos that a lot of foreigners have tried eating papeda and they like it. Papeda as a traditional food has become an icon in the cultural exchange. Many people from outside the tribe of Indonesia and even the foreigners from various countries know and try to eat papeda. Let's see how papeda is made. Starting with how sago is obtained from sago tree.
Sago tree trunks are then ground using a machine. After that, the crusty sago trunks are cleaned with water and the water is collected to take sago sediment which will later be made into papeda. The next step is pour boiling water into prepared sago while stirring it until cooked. Keep stirring it so it can cook evenly. And papeda is ready to be served with a yellow fish sauce or vegetables. To eat this food, you have to prepare a pair of chopsticks or two special forks, then take the papeda by rolling it until the papeda wraps around the chopstick or fork. Then place it into a plate and pour the yellow sauce.
Papeda is a Papua dish made from sago, a very important main ingredient for the local people. Papeda is often served with yellow fish sauce, giving it a unique and delicious flavor combination. This dish not only serves as a vital source of nutrition but also has deep cultural value. In Papua's tradition, the process of making and serving papeda involves cooperation and gotong royong, which strengthens relationship between community members. In addition, the dish is often served in traditional ceremonies and important celebrations, making it a symbol of cultural identity and pride. By preserving the recipe and method of making papeda for generations, Papuans are keeping their cultural heritage alive and relevant for future generations.
Papeda has also become Indonesia's intangible cultural heritage from the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization or UNESCO, precisely on 20 October 2015. This is certainly one of the best promotional media for its specialty food from Papua and Maluku. Its unique shape is a special attraction for culinary adventurers, especially to try papeda. In line with this, papeda began to be tried and to be created with various other food as a complement or companion. One of them is served together with yellow fish sauce or ikan kuah kuning from Maluku, or with various other types of fish dishes, with a sticky papeda texture like papeda glue. Related to social change, as explained, related to the philosophy at the dining table, papeda aims at togetherness. This is in line with the sticky texture of papeda like glue that signifies family ties, and later becomes a story related to the dining room. Next, papeda can be used as a pedagogical tool in intercultural relations, especially in the world of health. Papeda itself has various benefits that are very good for the body. In addition, this food is also usually served for important events, such as the traditional Papua Watan Kami ceremony, which through this traditional ceremony at the same time introduce local customs and culture to guests or figures who are present at that ceremony.
And the conclusion, papeda, a traditional dish from coastal Papua and Maluku, plays a significant role in the culture and social fabric of its community. Papeda has gained wider attention, promoting intercultural relation and social change. Its adaptability in pairing with various other dishes showcases its versatility and appeal to culinary enthusiasts.
Furthermore, papeda serves as a pedagogical tool in intercultural relations, particularly in health education and cultural preservation. Its benefits and the traditional ceremonies associated with it offer insight into Papuan custom and values, fostering greater understanding and appreciation among diverse communities. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.